Hi, I'm Jamie, I work for Westholme Farm and I'm a plasma operator here. The software is really easy to use because I only done a week's course and I picked it up after 2 weeks straight away. I've been able to teach it to other people and manoeuvre it around myself. The drawing inside it as well with the CAD built into the system also does help and saves a lot of time. So I would recommend it to other companies for fast, easy use. If we have had any issues what I have not been able to sort out myself, I've been in contact with the team and they've been straight on the phone, no issues, and we've worked out together and learned how to deal with it in the future as well. So everything that has had an issue has been solved. Using the XPR, we're able to work around a lot of different industries to high quality, what's helped us move forward as well. We would have to use other systems to go through the holes, where now with the speed and facilities we've got on this machine, we can get them done rather quicker, so we're saving a lot of man-hour time and a lot of time, and obviously that means a lot of money we're saving by using this system.